Hey, I'm Fish. Thank you for joining. Let's get this show going. If I bought a product and something just wasn't right within that return period, I would tear it down, try to fix it, make it the best. And here I am with something that may have a missing screw. Not what you want to do, but yet it's built. Yeah, I'm most sure it's not supported down below. It may just blow. I got this brand new product, and it says to take the iron for the first time, get those creases out, and that's what I am doing. I'm not putting any nails or punching any holes. I'm doing it the smart way. Put a little alien tape behind that can be peeled off in case I don't like it and something don't work out, or the return period. If I go after the return period, then I'll do what I want to do with it. Yeah, an old tire got a screw this big. I'm not sure where it came from, and it's on the corner, and I'm not sure how it got there or who did it. You just never know where you're at. And we're sitting and I see the light on. Oh yeah, I fill it up, and today I noticed, hey, how did that get in there? Yeah, kind of old, so yeah, picked it up. I plugged it like that within 5 minutes. Had to take the tire off, put it on, ordered a new one. Off we go. I'm heading down. I want to see the sand castles. Oh yeah, trees are up, everything's nice and setting up. I had my arm out, the Italian. Yeah, BXL 6S, man. Let me tell you, those tires will bald any second. Oh man, I was going for runs and all heated up. Pow! Goes the tire. So I may just go get a try me now tire. 50 bucks for all four. How sweet of a deal is that? Had a gorgeous hot pink sky when I left. I couldn't get a shot because of the buildings. It's all lit up. All the sculptures, man. Where are they? People living underneath a pier. And when I come back, you gotta see all the tents. There's the tents, man, one after the other. And they're not just camping out. That skyrise with the purplish lavender color going up and the three on top is a new building, not the casino, and it is a building of the future that is totally green, and it's been on the news and a lot of information of how it runs. The lights are lit up, but the carousel of the sea is out. Oh yeah, man, summer's ending. And did you get a hot dog? Did you get on the coaster? Did you even get on the Wonder Wheel? Did you come to see the fireworks? Oh man, this place is not like it used to be. Yeah, sandcastles no more. They just showed it and they must have immediately bulldozed it down. Just history. And I went all over, couldn't find a single trace of it. Like I said, not a single trace of it. Bulldozered. Oh, the one one thing I could tell you, you got it. It was a peaceful bike ride. It was quiet, calm, and comfortable. On that note, I'm Fish, and I catch you on many other videos to come. There, he's walking backwards, not me filming in reverse. Whoa, go sit that side. Yeah, I poop in the middle of the street too.